See, right behind me, you can see a lot of nets being erected by this Khazan land people who have won the bid for the fishing season. So what they have done is they have erected nets not to do anything with the fish or fish harvesting. It is done to prevent the birds from eating their prey. That is the fish. So in a day you can see around 5 to 10 birds being entangled in the nets, and there is no rescue for them. They just die. And by looking at them, the other birds come and they get entangled and they die. So they have a lot of varieties of birds which are being killed in this way, like kites, fish-eating eagles. So this is a clear violation of wildlife. Same thing like how there is a violation of wildlife when we say it is a killing of frogs. So these people who have erected the nets has to be penalized in the same way, with the same act like how we do for the wildlife, that is the killing of frogs, and because this is related to wildlife. And the people who have to be penalized is the tenant association of this area and the person who have won the bid. Why the tenant association has to be done? Because so that if somebody else wins the bid next time, they will not be able to put the nets around like this. And the bidder has to be penalized, because so that if he wins a bid to some other Khazan land, he don't practice the same kind of activities, and it will become a norm. If the authorities don't take any action, it will become a norm all over Goa, and all other people will try to put these nets around here. All around this Khazan area, except towards the Rashol side, because I don't see it on the Rashol side, solely on this Tembi Dongri side. One is this area, the entire area, and then once you enter the Tembi, that area, these things are being erected.
So
we have even complained to a lot of authorities like Wetland Authority, Forest Department, then Director of Fisheries, and then Under Secretary Forest, and there was no reply from none of them. So we have to elevate the matter to Collectorate South. Even after mailing her, there was no reply. Seems like they are developing a cold feet when it comes to here, or there's some underhand dealing. And even our biodiversity chairman, Mr. Xavier, also took up this matter. But then he is being told that they will try to implement these new rules for putting a clause in the lease agreement that the nets won't be allowed to put. But that is for the next season. So who is responsible for these birds getting killed this season? It's the authorities who are developing a cold feet, because if we go and complain, their thing is saying like, it's lockdown. So, tip of the tongue, there is a word lockdown. So is that lockdown deterring them from coming over here and taking action? I don't think so. It is the tardiness or laziness which they are sitting on the chairs and doing nothing.
I'm Xavier Fernandez, and I'm the chairman of the Raya Biodiversity Management Committee. I'm here to discuss on this matter which is in Raya, and I thank Mr. Selvin, who's following up this matter very much, which is we have got the Khazan lands, आमगे जो हाजना है तिंगा नेट गायला बॅम्बू घान तेजे वयर अशें ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 मीटर वयर नेट गायला, आनी त्या नेटांक कित्याक गायला तेणी ती जो सुणी येताय ती नुस्तें हाताळली, बारीक तुगे सुंगटां हाताळली, आनी देखून ते बी गायल्याय ते सुंगटां बी गायल्याय ते हायना जाच्या तेणी ते नेट गायला, आनी त्या नेटान सुणी जो आमगेली थोडी जो सुणी जो उणी जायत वयताय ती सगळीं त्या नेटान पोसताय, आनी जे जो हजनकार आहा तो तांकां काडटा, जायत पाटी ते काण आसून तेशी उरताय आनी ती मोत्ताय. आमी कोणूय अशें करून तेंगे आपणागे धंद्याचे कितें कोत्ता, धंद्या लागून तेणी जायते पयशे आपणागे इन्वेस्ट केल्याय, धंद्या लागून, नुस्त्या धंद्या लागून. आमी तेंचे वायट न्ही, पूण आमकां ही सुणी मान हो धंदो करप म्हणल्यार म्हाका दूख भोगता. कित्याक म्हणल्यार हो धंदो करपा जायो, बट सुण्याकूय आमी राखपा जाय. थोडी सुणी आतां उणी जायत गेलो आहाय, थोडी स्पिसीज उणी जाले, एंडेमीक जालो आहाय, आनी ते एक्सटिंक्टूय जाताय. आनी हेका लागून हांव फॉरेस्टाकूय आमी केलो इन्फॉर्मेशन केलोलें, आनी थिंगा आतां RFO मेळ्ळो. हांव RFOन सांगिलां की आमी तांकां आपयल्याय आनी तांकां सांगिलां बाबा तुमी हें बंद कराय, ते नेट बेट काड्याय म्हूण. आनी RFOन हेंय म्हाका सांगिलां की फुडले पाटी मामलादारा आपूण लेटर कोत्तलो आनी तेंगेले क्लॉजांक घातलो की अशें करून नेटां घालची न्ही म्हूण. हें इन्फॉर्मेशन म्हाका RFOन दिलां. आमी मागता की फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान तांकां लोकांक बरे भशेन सांगोचें की बाबा हें जो जाता सुणी तुमगे धंदो कराय पूण सुण्या मातशें सांबाळाय म्हणून.